Too tired because of the email notifications of Onlyfans and don't know how to turn off email notifications? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn off email notifications on Onlyfans. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type onlyfans.com and hit on enter. Do note that I have already logged in, and in case you have not logged in, do log in right now. Now to disable the email notifications, what I want to do is click on this profile button that you will find at the top left or this more button that you will find on the nav bar. You can click on either. Simply click on whichever one you wish and a pop-up will open. Simply go to settings and here are lots of settings provided like profile, account, privacy and settings, and the thing we are looking for, notifications. In the Notifications tab, you will find a sub-tab named as Preferences. Right here, you will find push notifications, email notifications, and others. For now, simply click on this email notifications and turn off these settings. Right now, I want to turn on my email notifications, so let's simply toggle off this button. You can also toggle off this important subscription notifications. And that's it guys. That's how you disable email notifications on Onlyfans. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.